born and raised here in Tifton, and growing up, in high school I had the opportunity to do a program where you interned 2 hours a day your senior year. I had an interest in the law and interned, I guess is what you call it, with a local law firm. Figured out I loved it. My family was very supportive, and it was basically either medical school or law school. And after talking with my parents and my grandparents, I decided on the law. I loved the analytical part of it, the writing part of it, the socialization with people and meeting people. I loved all that. So I decided to go to law school, went to the University of Georgia, and then went to the law school at Mercer University. And I guess the rest is history. Best part of my job, other than the people that I work with, I've made some wonderful friends through this profession, out and about, in the courthouse, at the jails. Wonderful, wonderful people that I know that have my back, that are very protective of me and look after me, and I consider them true friends. The other part, that what I consider the best part of my job, are the adoptions that I get to do, because in that particular case, everybody is happy. So it's a wonderful feeling to see a new family begin. Leadership with the Judicial Council, of course, means different things to me. I see myself in a leadership position here with what I do and with where I go, how I handle myself, the programs that we start. We have a adult felony drug court program that we initiated here. It's a phenomenal program. We have a lot of success. Like everybody, we have some failures, but just one success is all worth it. We worry a lot about our people in drug court. It's not just a one day a month. It's you worry about them all the time. But moving from here, and I'm on the Judicial Council. The Judicial Council does a lot of wonderful things. I want to be a part of that. But I also want to be able to take to the Judicial Council what the judges from our district need, what we want, what our concerns are. And so every time we have a meeting, every time we have a call, I have a mass email that goes out so that I inform everybody exactly what we've talked about, what's on the horizon, any concerns, please let me know. And I see myself more as a messenger in that regard, because we have regular meetings that we discuss everything at. And so it makes it easier for me, if they're all informed, when I go to these meetings, they have questions prepared for me that I can take back to the Judicial Council. And Judicial Council is nice because it's not just Superior Court judges. It is judges from all over the state in the different classes of courts. So you meet new people, of course, and you hear their concerns and things that you don't think about. I don't think about myself, because it's not something that I deal with on a daily basis. And so it's nice to be able to hear other things that other judges and the other classes of courts are going through, because we all share some of the same things, and then some of the things that we share are very different. So it's nice to be able to meet people, hear their concerns, try to help them out. But mostly for me, it's to take what our judges need and relay those concerns and to be able to help them. Oh, free time. I really try, when I leave the office or I leave court or I leave the jail, I try to leave what I do there. I have a wonderful family. Free time has been very hard to come by lately. I just married my oldest son. He got married this past weekend, so we've been very busy with that. But we're involved in the community. We like to volunteer. We have some wonderful friends here that, because I was born and raised here. I think I drug my husband back kicking and screaming, but we've made a wonderful life here, have wonderful friends, and we love to spend time with that. We love to travel. I love to read. I love to read historical fiction. Hadn't had a whole lot of time for that lately, but just trying to separate this from every day and taking it home. And sometimes it's very difficult to do, but most days I've gotten into a pattern where I can get that done. So I can accomplish that. So it makes home life a whole lot easier.